get on our skateboard.
I attached my luggage to my skateboard.
Me too. Let's get going.
Woo! Woo!
What is this girl doing behind us?
Oh, I think they're going to New York too.
They might be.
Take my luggage. Here you go. Bye.
Let's go. I can't get through.
I'm on the plane.
Okay, here we go.
I'm gonna stay here. I saw Dibs right here.
All right, then I'll come in here.
I'm gonna take an Instagram photo.
Oh, me too.
I'm gonna take an Instagram photo in the bathroom.
Okay. I'll take it. Right now. Okay. All right, let's go.
I love this airport. It's my favorite airport.
We're here in New York City.
You know what? Forget it. Take my luggage. Here,
Take it.
Get you busted through. You'll never catch me, security. Never.
Take my luggage. Take my luggage.
Let's go. I'm stealing this person's bike.
I'm stealing this person's scooter.
Take my luggage and leave me alone. Okay,
Alright.
I have a map here. Let's go.
Wait, how are we gonna get back home when the airport people are against us?
Oh, I have a home. Here. It's just gonna take us a while to get there. Let's go. Oh, and also I changed my outfit.
I know. The flower hut.
My home. No. It's not my home.
Topia School. We don't go there. We go to Brookhaven School.
Oh no, my bike. My bike.
Ah, my scooter!
I found another bike.
Oh, here's another scooter.
Waiting for you. Come on. We gotta go up to you. Come on.
Is that where we're gonna be staying for the next few days?
No, that's not the house. That's not a house. That's not my house. Woo!
This road so much reminds me of Brookhaven. I can't.
Darn it, I forgot. My mom makes me put in the house. Whatever. Since I get to pick whatever house I want, I want to go with this.
Ooh!
Welcome home. Sliding doors, I like.
What do you like better, this house or your house in Brookhaven?
Let's go upstairs.
Let's see what the rooms all look like.
Whoa, this could be my room right here. My room. And up here.
Let's see if there's an extra bedroom.
No.
Do I might have to build my own house?
Right here. Marigold, right here.
Oh, there's a red bedroom.
Oh, and you get a computer.
Oh, so we both can play Roblox.
Yeah. Ooh, but I'm really hungry. Aren't you hungry too?
Yeah.
Let's go down to the elevator.
Oh, wait, there's an elevator? Oh.
Yeah. Down we go.
We're outside.
Darn it. Takes us outside. Whatever. Let's go downstairs. Where's the kitchen?
that girl that was with us on the plane?
I don't know. I'm gonna make me some fries.
There's some fries.
Got my food. Go ahead, make your food.
Cook. I'm going to make spaghetti. It's
That food was delicious.
alright, time to eat. Whoa, I put mine on the... That was delicious.
I want a drink. But instead, I'm gonna have me some dessert. Ice cream.
Wait, what about you make us maybe some smoothies?
Oh, I'm making me an ice cream. Yummy ice cream.
Remember how you said that I would always make great smoothies?
Yeah.
Do I still?
I don't know. But I'm making me an orange smoothie.
Alright, I'm going to make a banana smoothie.
Delicious. Deliciosa. Ooh, and I'm also gonna bake us some.
Alright, time to put this in. Perfect.
I baked something. It's really good. But I eat it.
It's a bunny cake.
I'm gonna go make a video.
Do you want to go play Roblox?
Yeah, actually, let's go. I'm on my computer right now.
Alright. I'll be up on mine.
Okay.
Alright, Flower, what game are we playing?
Let's play Blackbird.
Okay. Great house, Flower. I love your house, Flower. It looks very nice.
Thank you, very nice, Marigold.
What do you think about my house?
Oh, it's beautiful.
Thanks.
But I think it's getting late, Marigold. I think we should go to bed.
Yeah, let's go to bed.
There's a bathroom if you want to come brush your teeth.
Oh, I'll come brush my teeth. Come on.
Bathroom's right over here. Wash my hands.
I cannot believe that we left Brookhaven on our own.
I just brushed my teeth. Go ahead, brush your teeth.
Alright, done.
Marigold, help me find the light switches. Please turn them off.
I wonder how jealous Anthony and Sophia are.
Probably like very, very jealous.
That we had a trip in New York.
Bye, Marigold. Good night.
Good night.
I'm just gonna turn off all the lights. Oh wait, you wanna help? Oh, never mind. She's sleeping already. I got it.
Flower, it's time to wake up.
I was already awake before you.
I was awake, I'm just changing. I was just changing.
Come on, let's go eat breakfast before we go to school.
Well, we don't have school. It's a vacation. We go to Brookhaven School.
I kinda signed us up for school here.
Why we go to Brookhaven School? We're not from here.
So what? We still have to learn. Now make yourself breakfast.
Okay.
And then grab, oh, you're right. I left Summer at home. Thanks.
Oh no, Summer!
Oh, I left her with Sophia.
Oh, Sophia's gonna take care of her. Whoops.
Yeah,
Alright.
Might want to get your backpack.
I didn't bring mine. I didn't know we'd be going to school.
Oh, well, too bad. Let's go.
Why would you say too bad?
Bye. Okay. Grab my bike right here.
And my scooter.
And I'm gonna mark this school on my map. Let's go. Woo! Gotta go straight. We just gotta keep going straight.
I see the school already.
Oh! That's the school. Oh! I'm Mark.
You know these people?
No, I don't. I don't know any of these people. But we're here at school.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you miss Brookhaven a little? This school is so much bigger than the Brookhaven school.
Become a student so you can get a locker. I don't think there's any lockers here. Oh, nope, no lockers.
This school is so much bigger than the Brookhaven one.
We have different periods, so you go to math and I go to art. Bye.
Bye, I'll see you after school.
Math is down here.
Ah!
It's right there.
Hello, class. We've got a new student who's temporarily going to be here for about a few days, and then she's going to transfer back over to her school. So everybody, this is Marigold. Hi, Marigold.
Yeah, here people. Oh.
Marigold, your seat is in the back. Okay. Now we're going to learn about division.
Flower, please come to the principal's office. Are you kidding me?
Flower.
What?
You guys have to be here permanently if you want to attend this school.
Well, we're not going to be here permanently.
Why?
But travel here to have a little vacation.
You guys need to be here permanently. You guys must move here or else you can't come to this school.
Well, guess what, Principal? No one likes this school. Neither do I. Our class sucks. You don't even draw. All you do is listen to the dumb teacher. Bye.
You're expelled from the school.
I do not care.
Take your friend with you.
No, actually likes this school, so bye.
Finally, class is over. Why are you crying?
The principal expelled me
Why?
because he said we have to stay here permanently if we want to attend the school.
Well, that's kind of stupid because that's kind of stupid for him to do that.
Yeah, and then I actually told him what my opinion is, that our class sucks because all we do is listen to the dumb teacher, and then I walked out of the class, and then I walked out of the principal's office.
And then what did he say?